Subscriber, today I want to show you how you can make the walkway. As you see, I made all this backyard by myself. If you're interested, I have a video, you can check it out. So anyway, I'm gonna make the walkway from here to over there. So as you see, I took off those stone, it was already here, so I'm gonna use them again. First I'm gonna take out all the grass and weed. Actually it's not the grass, it's all weed. I'm gonna take all of them off, and I put this is like an underlayment, so we put that here. It doesn't let the weed grow again. I'm gonna put that here all the way to over there, and after that put the stone, and I'm gonna put the mulch. So the same mulch we have over there, I'm gonna use those mulch. All right, let's start it.